Let's look at reports and team management. Every capacity report you save appears here. Open any report to review the team, dates, and workload snapshot. You can edit and resave as conditions change. The Reports section lets you generate detailed capacity reports. These are shareable documents your team leads can review without opening the planner themselves. Team management is where you create teams and programs. Teams group your people. Programs group your projects. These structures feed into capacity plans and analytics across the app. That wraps up the capacity module. Next, time tracking and reporting.